good, YouTube? It's your boy D. Up early in the AM. Let's see what time it is. 7:26 AM. Got my boy Jaquan with me. Got the best friend with me. So today we're gonna be going to Gainesville. We're gonna go to their little cars and coffee. What the boy looking at? That boy handling business on the phone. But finna go out there, look at some cars, look at people do some runs. Something slight. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all when we get there. Alright, y'all, we just made it. I think they might be taking cash, bro. Hopefully it ain't 20 to get in. See how much it is. Well, hopefully it's like 15.
Good morning, how are y'all? Welcome to K&N Cars and Coffee. Are we doing the test and tune this morning?
Yeah, just spectate.
Okay. So what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you take a right at this exit sign, follow it all the way down to the next gentleman with the vest on, and they'll get you taken care of.
I appreciate it.
Y'all have a wonderful day.
Alright, you too. She fun?
Oh my gosh.
My bad, I was a little starstruck. She was so fun. This ain't the area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What's making that noise? Oh, I'm about to say. Yo, the spectator. Yeah.
Alright, you're gonna head straight down this middle road for me.
Alright.
That guy right there is gonna put you in a spot.
How much is admission, if you know?
To do the drag?
Nah, just the spectate. Is
No,
it?
okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, appreciate it, bro. Alright.
Okay.
Green vest.
Yes. Ooh.
Ain't that hard to clean?
What?
Jeez.
That purple is very nice.
Well, I can't park by him. You gotta be parking by this Accord. I'm finna look at the cars. This Audi is super clean. Yeah, that's a nice color. Got the GT, got the Elantra in.
Alright, attention out of the piss, attention in the piss. Any drivers or racers out there that need Sunoco racing fuel, we're going to open up the fuel depot here at 9:15 and we're going to close it at 9:45. So you'll have about a half hour to go back there and get any of your fuel needs taken care of. But we will have somebody back there in just a few minutes and we're going to open it up from 9:15 this morning to 9:45 this morning. So it's a half hour to get your race fuel needs taken care of.
You know me, I ain't not really a Hellcat fan. But this GTI is clean. Yo, what you got to say about that, bro? You like that?
Look at the fit, man. Look at the front wheel fit.
Bro, he got the meats in the front wheel drive.
With the auto accident. Yo, that transmission.
A little old school.
66, 67 miles.
Man, if I was a Camaro, man, I wouldn't even. It ain't even worth it. Doing the old school can't shift, bro. But successfully made it back. The last car broke down. They trying to clean it all up. He was doing some horrible shifting, so. Next up, look like we got the Supra and maybe a truck. Interesting. Kind of want to get a picture of it, but I don't want to get in trouble. So I'll wait. But that Supra is like really clean. That's an okay turnout. I've been here before, like, it was probably almost a year ago. And it was like so many cars out here, but it's still kind of early. It's only 9 a.m. going on at 12, so We'll see what happens. Got the
All
Supra
right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
against the truck. Let's see what's going on. I mean, it's pretty obvious what's going on. But no way that truck do a burnout, right? Yeah. No way. It is so hot out here.
Fire some of the iron that's out there.
Extremely hot. I'm gonna try to get as much content as I can. Oh man, no!
Okay, the expedition gets off and running early. Super better tighten up.
Oh, Super might catch him though. Did Super catch him? Yep, Super caught him.
All right,
Well, I
Super
think so.
managed to catch him on the
Yeah,
top
caught him.
end, 1356 and 116.
Jeez.
1421 and 96 there. We got Beamer coming up next over here in the Lucas Oil lane.
The Beamer always wins over there. Always. Always rooting.
Okay, Challenger has the better reaction time, a 360 to a 747 on the reaction time. And the Challenger is going to get to the stripe
Oh,
first. He
got it.
goes 1184 to
Got an old
113,
school in the
1190 and
GTI.
118 there for the Beamer.
Uh-oh, let's see what's going on.
All right, Leo goes 008 on the reaction time. 000 is best you can
GTI
do.
got him.
You have your air conditioning, condensation leaking out on the track. So you're going to run out here today. Make sure if you've got a functioning air conditioner that it is
The
turned
Subaru
off.
will be gone
so
for
we
that,
don't
right?
lose any condensation on the raceway. All
That's
right,
one of
got
my
the Honda
favorite
Civic
years.
coming up over there on the Lucas Oil side of the track, and a Ford Mustang over here.
Who winning this, bro?
Not carbon.
Who winning this? You gotta go with the Mustang, bro. No way you think about this.
I'm giving it to the Honda.
The Honda?
When I know the 5-0s, they do got that shit.
Yeah, he's gonna be good.
Okay, the Mustang got off the line first, 216s. His reaction time to a 380 for the Honda. And the Mustang got there first, 1321
Yes, sir.
to a 1333.
Bro, I thought I lost that, bro.
I ain't no front. It looked like
It was close.
All right,
It
got
was
some
like
Chevy Camaro
0.5
coming up
seconds
next.
from each other.
They'll run over 9 at 109. All right, got a single pass coming here on the Olds Cutlass.
Uh-oh, a Cutlass. This is something my dad I like. He be like, son, what you know about that Cutlass? Oh, why he lit up?
I wonder.
We got a Genesis versus a
Because, you know,
GTI.
Okay, so the
This
Olds goes
this
through with
right
1253 at
I was about to
84.
say, if you running- Oh, hold on. Time out. Let me get my camera back. Shit, you might recover. Bring it
I don't know,
back.
bro. This Genesis got it, bro.
That Genesis dude got it, but maybe the GTI got something we don't know about.
That two-step nasty. Oh, it's got to catch him.
The GTI got it.
Yeah. Yeah. Barely.
Okay,
Got
Lucas
it.
Oil Lane got there first, 1436, 102 to a 1499 at
The
93.
Genesis jumped early.
Dodge Charger
And,
coming up over here
GTI
on the
was
Lucas
spinning
Oil side
that
of the
whole
track.
time.
And the
This is a
wheels
pretty
are
sharp looking
Yeah.
68 or 69
I'm
Chevelle
sitting there like, hold on, bro.
For
over
real.
here on the Budweiser lane.
This is a
Chevelle's on. He's on early. He has a 2 at 13 reaction time to a 267, but the Dodge coming on strong down on the top end, gets there first.
Yeah, I think he caught him.
Okay, so it looks like the
Trans Am caught him.
1213 at 118 miles an hour, 1324 at 103.
This is really fun.
Over there in Lucas Oil Lane. Alright, looks like we got us a Nissan. This car really. Way
Bro,
You heard that shift?
I think it's a V8 in that Z, bro.
The brake car got the back roller just in case it shoot too far up.
Yeah. I had a feeling the silver one gonna take.
That's about to be nice.
Oh, that Honda? Yeah. Man, did the whole burnout of the line.
Alright, so Chris goes through 94 at 116 miles an hour.
He couldn't wait to do that.
1436 at 83.
Nah, my boy.
He took the hood off that baby.
My bad, y'all. I'm taking pictures and trying to record. I think that Honda,
Inside my ear, like.
that Honda is the fastest car here for sure. Is that a real Hellcat? I'm not impressed by that.
Get something over here in the Budweiser lane. Alright, looks like the Charger.
Golly.
Get there first.
Golly.
6 at 114.
This ain't even fair.
That's gonna bring up Zach.
You alright, bro?
Alright, so it looks like Zach got there first, but I'd frame the ticket. Something happened. Brake went to the right. He did not go I'm thinking he had some debris or something. Blew
That's
through the
that
light.
Van Diesel right there.
See how I
Okay, so we got Chevelle over
It
there on
always
the Lucas Oil
is.
side of the track. He's 144 on the tree to a
Oh, he's catching
248
him.
over here on the Lucas Oil side of the track.
GTI caught him.
Looks like the Chevelle is going to get to the stripe first down there as he goes through the 1292 at 103 miles an hour, 1357 at 100.
That's a Subaru.
Oh, look at
Oh,
your twin.
man. You gotta stick together with your
I ain't gonna
brothers.
lie, though.
Alright, so this is Subaru.
Ah, that's
Nah,
crazy.
This ain't no regular, bro. Bro, he got the TRC stick up on there. That ain't no regular.
Oh, yeah.
That's
He do
not-
this.
What the fuck?
Bro.
Yo.
Alright, Subaru's getting a little squirrely out there.
Oh, no. Is it normal Subaru problems? No? Please, no? God.
So he went 14.8.
It's yours, bro? It's good?
This motherfucker thing made me cry. It sounded so good.
guys, about to head out. Go ahead and end the video here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my socials, DB with the Subi on the ground, DB with the Subi on TikTok. And we out. Peace.